choosing and downloading our data. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So, all right, so I got your feedback. We are going to be using some Uber data. So I will put this down. I will put a link down in for my GitHub, so you can go and download it, because I really can't remember, because I looked at so many different Uber data sets. So, all right. So the next thing, so here we go. So what it is 20,000 rows. Yeah. Or is it 200? 200,000 rows. Okay. So I need to refamiliarize myself. It's 200,000 rows of data. The fair amount, this key is a date timestamp. So we're going to need to work with that. It's fair amount, pickup longitude, pickup latitude, drop off. I had no idea they tracked all of this. Drop off latitude, drop off longitude, and passenger count. So one of the things that I guess that first popped into my mind that I think we need to really be able to plan is, where are we getting picked up? Where are we getting dropped off? So we can go and figure out travel distance, time. Is there some sort of pattern of when, where, and how many? Because of course, one thing that you have to think about in business is, if your utilization rate is too high, you're not charging enough. So this is one thing that came to mind. So those are the type of things that we need to be aware of, and those are the first things that come to mind. So now, what we're going to be learning on the fly is, after we download this, we're going to need to break our data into a training group and a test group. So like I said, we're in this together. I don't know right now what the best thing is. I've read 20%, I've read 40%. So we're going to begin to play around with this, but splitting. But this is going to be the method of splitting, of breaking down our data set into a training group and then a test group. So basically, and we also need to decide which form of modeling are we going to use. What is best? Because I have not done the research. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 columns of data. Now, when I was first looking at this, they were splitting up, even in the documentation, and we'll do more of that in next video, that they took an X training, X test, Y training, Y test, but they only had length and width. So I believe, and again, we're in this together, I do not know the answer to this yet. I have a strong feeling is that with 8, we are going to need to be, yeah, that's 8. We are going to need to be using a different type of practice, because again, we would have 8 variables for training and 8 variables for testing. That's my first guess. But like I said, I don't know the answer to that yet. And I'm really trying to break out. I know I talked about maybe doing more videos, but this is really testing me right now, because with everything else I have going on. So we are going to be practicing being efficient and utilizing our time wisely. So I'm hoping to get out more videos per week, but right now it's probably just going to be one until I can really get a better rigid schedule and can focus on this, because I'm very intrigued by this, but I do not really know where to go from here. So next video, we will have learned some more, and we will begin to see what should be our next step, because we're going to be experimenting with, what does this data tell us? What picture does it share? What picture does it draw? or illustrate. So there we go, guys. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests. And again, this is going to be in the GitHub link down below. Please jump over to the Discord server. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.